Hey, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we are headed to the Diner of the Dead, Zombie Burger, in Des Moines, Iowa.
So, where are we going?
We are going to Zombie Burger and Shake Lab in Des Moines, Iowa.
I like burgers and shakes.
Well, you should like this then.
Okay.
It's kind of a trendy burger joint that has a zombie theme to it.
Like you get to kill zombies?
No, I think they just named the burgers after famous zombie movies, and a lot of the decorations are zombie themed. You can say they put the gore in gourmet.
Wow, your jokes aren't any better from that side of the van than they are from this. Good job.
Yeah, and for people at home, I can drive. I have a license too. I'm just usually too drunk, right?
Right. So, alright. So, and where's that at?
Des Moines, Iowa.
Des Moines, Iowa. Okay. Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Sounds like fun.
Zombie Burger and Drink Lab is a zombie-themed burger joint, so it was sort of a no-brainer for my family. No-brainer. The burgers are all named after classic zombie movies. We ordered a unicorn zombie shake and a Juan of the Dead chili burger, and their most popular burger, the Walking Ched, which is absolutely over the top and frickin' ridiculous. It has 2 deep-fried mac and cheese patties that act as the bun, and I don't even know how you're supposed to eat this thing. But it doesn't stop me from trying.
Marco, show me the way a zombie would eat a hamburger. Oh, that's really good. How is your zombie burger?
It was really fantastic. I don't think the fries get enough credit, though. They were very tasty. The ones with the garlic and blue cheese and bacon. But the burger was really good when we had the one with jalapeno on it. It was very good. So, yep,
All right,
good.
thumbs up. All right, 2 thumbs up. Yeah.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.